Was out here filming a video on some junk engines that I picked up, and the UPS man pulled up. I could not even take the time to wait to get to the garage because I know what this stuff is, and you guys are going to see it as soon as it comes out of the box.
I'd say it's a nut job.
All right, we're going old school. I don't have my mic on or nothing because I was so excited to open this stuff. I didn't want to take no extra time. Some of you guys are going to know instantly what's going on as soon as we start unboxing this stuff. Check this out. Some of you are going to know right away what this is. I hadn't unboxed it yet, so it's going to be kind of embarrassing if it's not actually what I think it is, isn't it? Well wrapped up. You don't already see like the bottom of an FE intake, right? But look at this. Lay this box over here. If you're not familiar with what this is from fepower.net. This is a J. Brown adapter kit to run a Cleveland intake on an FE motor. Well, you know how it is around here. Just because it's a Cleveland intake doesn't mean we're going to run just a empty Cleveland intake on it. Tunnel ram on an FE. Now, give me a little grace here because I know some of you guys are already gearing up to type hate on your keyboard about what's coming next. But there's a reason for this. This is going on top of that 410 build we're doing. Now I know some of you are going to be curious about why the Elderbrock. Well, it's because this belongs to an Elderbrock person. And I think, yeah, we have all the fuel lines, linkages. We have everything to make this work. So what we have is we're going to have a 410 now. If y'all follow along with that build that's coming up, with a J. Brown adapter, a Cleveland tunnel ram, a Wying tunnel ram, which I put on upside down. Sorry. I got excited. Sorry. There we go. A Wying tunnel ram. Cleveland adapter plate, to the Elderbrock AVS carburetors. If you don't know the AVS carburetors, why in the hell am I calling them carburetors? Carburetors, these have angular boosters in them as well. This is going to look smoking hot on top of that 410. I cannot wait to get this stuff together and put on there. But I also obviously couldn't wait to take them out of the box and show them to you either. So there's that. tunnel ram, baby. Precious. And it's not even mine. I have been wanting to put one of these to the test for a long time, I hear a lot about them. I've heard a lot of people that have tried them, but I've never really heard any feedback on them. So we're gonna put them to the test and see what these adapters are all about. Comes with instructions. Of how to make everything work together. Let's see here. Very detailed instructions, it looks like. Okay. And yes, it's Jay Brown from FE Power LLC. You can find his stuff on fepower.net. Actually, there's the part number for it if you're interested. Right there is what's kind of important on everything nowadays. Made in USA. These things are made in, I think, Minnesota. Yes, right here. So I am looking forward to putting this thing to the test and seeing what they are all about and seeing how well they actually work. I've heard about these things for years, but I've never actually put one to the test. And I've heard people talk about them, but I've never really heard anybody go in depth about them. So you'll see it all here firsthand. Every nut, bolt, struggle, convenience, whatever it may be. As we put that 410 together, we're gonna build a 410 back there. Probably start on it in the next week or so. We're gonna get that thing, or start doing videos on it the next week or so. We're gonna get that thing put together, and we're gonna put that on that 410, and we're gonna see how well it works. We're gonna know together if there's any issues at all. We'll all learn them together, and we'll walk through this process together. Now, anytime you do something for the first time, I fully expect there to be a few little missteps and struggles, but who knows? This thing may be so simple that there's nothing to even think about. But we'll figure it out together. Time out, cut, hang on. I get so geeked out over FE stuff, especially stuff I hadn't got to play with before. I kind of go 1,000 miles an hour. Let me back up. This is for a 410 build that we're doing. This is for someone else, not for me. If they want you to know who they are, they can let you know. I didn't ask them if it was okay for me to tell them I didn't ask them if it was okay for me to tell the world their business. You understand what I'm saying? So let me slow down. It's the Jay Brown FE to Cleveland adapter, which I've never got to play with, and I've been looking forward to. It is a wide tunnel ram, and then it is topped with 2 Edelbrock AVS carburetors. I have not ran the AVS carburetors. They claim that the people that I know that have run them claim that they're a leaps and bounds better carburetor over the old Edelbrocks that you used to know. These have angular boosters and all in them. I haven't played with any of those, so that's something new for me. I believe those carburetors, he told me what he was ordering or sending with it. I believe they were either 500s or 600s. I don't remember which one. They may be 500s. Not a terribly big carburetor. Nothing compared to what you've seen on Legacy with those 2 big 750 VRS carburetors. Nothing like that. This is going to be a street car. It's going to be a 70s style street car build, or at least in my mind, a 70s style street car build. Big tunnel ram sticking through the hood. You know, the bird catcher there, kind of heel burn, kind of scoop on it. So I I'll get you. Let me get back to the video now. I just had to slow down because I got so geeked out and excited over new stuff. I really do love FE stuff. And I hope you guys tune in and watch it. That is going to be the last full-length video I do of the year, or I should say this is going to be the last full-length video I do of the year. I may throw another shorty up tomorrow. I don't know. But guys, I hope you will hang in there with me. I hope you guys are looking as forward to playing with that as I am. I'm excited about that. So you guys hang in there with us, and we got some great stuff coming in this upcoming year. 2025 is going to be freaking amazing. Oh, by the way, as of today, I think I'm 40 subscribers away from 10,000 subscribers. We started the year with 1,000. You guys are freaking rock stars. So if you could do me a favor, please share this video. If you could do me the favor, please comment on this video with some kind of comment, thumbs up, all those things. And if you're not subscribed, please consider clicking that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but what it does for me is tremendous. You can't even imagine how much it helps me just by you clicking that simple button. And again, it doesn't cost you anything. It's free to support a small business, which is what I am. So thank you so much for all those that do, and I love you guys, and I appreciate you guys. I can't even talk. I'm so excited about this stuff. I get geeked out over FE stuff. I absolutely love FE stuff. God bless you guys. Hope the Lord bless you more today than he did yesterday. To him be all the glory. Guys, we'll see you on the next one.
I'd say it's a nut job.